Hello students, welcome to a new chapter about strings. Previously we have studied about the constructors and functions. So student, practice the programming of constructors very well. Now we are going to start with our new chapter, string. Students, this chapter is very interesting and we are going to start it. String. What is first of all a string? We know that a set of characters is known as a string. Your name is a string. Each and every whatever thing you are going to write in a program, that is in a string. Now string variable. It is we can say that it can be defined as a memory location that contains a string constant or string literal. Means whenever you take a string, you put a double quote in this. The value of variable may change in the program. A variable declared with data type string gains the capability of storing a set of characters. Means it can store a set of characters. Now we can say that the thing is important that a string containing digits within double quote is also treated as a symbols. Means hence cannot be used for a arithmetical calculation. Like that we can take an example of your home address. Your house address is in that, in each and every house address we see that there is a name also, there is a colony name also, and your house number is also. As when we can say that house number is a int, but when it is taken in a string, then it is treated as a symbol. Okay, and as you all know that string is presented by the double quote. Now see here, string, here two types of string is there. First is in st variable it has been taken understanding, and an str variable it has been taken as computer is a 1, and it is constant by the double quote. See, in the string it is double quote, as you all will remember that character is in a single quote. Okay, now in string when we allot, then we use a new keyword. What is the new keyword? Okay, it allows the user to assign a string object with a string literal variable by using new keyword with the help of constructor. Okay, now how we are going to write? String str new string understanding. It means that string object str is assigned with string literal understanding. Okay, new keyword, as we can define it, that new keyword is used for the dynamic allocation of an object. Now here students, we are going to see that here is a string in an array. This I will explain you when we are going to study about the array, because since you have not studied about the array, so I will tell you this you later. Now here's a quick recap how we are going to input a string with the scanner class. So see here the scanner class, what we will do, what we do is, we all remember that when we are going to take a single word, then we put whatever the scanner variable, class variable you have taken, sc or in, in dot next, when we are just going to take a single word. In scanner you all know that it is treated as a token. Okay, now when we have to take a full sentence and we have to input a full sentence, then we take we take next line. See, in dot next line means when we are going to input computer, then we have to take in dot next, and when we are going to input computer is fun, then we have to write in dot next line. Okay, now we are going to study some string functions which is going to make your program easy. Students, make it clear that previously we have studied about mathematical functions. Now it is string functions in which we are going to treat suppose your name is Ram Pandey, and you have to separate this, then you are going to put certain string functions, and then Ram will be separate with the Pandey. See how we are going to do. There are certain string functions. First we are going to study about length. Okay, length, as you all know, that length will always return in int, means in integer. Okay, so how we are going to, whatever the string we are going to take, str, we have taken here computer, then it will return in int, in integer. Then we are going to take the variable int k is str dot, see the variable of a string dot length function sign. So what will be the length, students? Here length will be start from 1, means computer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, means the k has a value of 8. Okay, now next is our char at int index. In this we have to put index of the, if we have to take out one character from the string, then what we have to use, char at. See, this function returns a character from the given index, or whatever the position we are going to give it of the string. In this, see, computer, in we have given the index 3, then pay attention here, students. Here we are going to count it from the 0. Our length is counted from the by 1, but in character, when we have to put take a certain out, take out certain character, then we have to put here, we have to count it from the 0. 0 1 2 3, means at the 3 position it is, the character is p, and so we are going to get our output p. Now next is our index of. Index of is, students, is to tell you about the position of your character. Whatever the position is of your character, it is just opposite of your char. Now see, understanding. In this we have given the character n, and we are going to find out the position of it. Now if there it is given single, then whatever the n is going to come at the first, it is going to give the position of that. See, the value here will be the, where is the n, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and n is at the 8th position, so it will give the output at 8. Okay, now next is of your index of it is, and if we are going to we want the output of second n, and the character, how we are going to do, see, the function will be same, index of only, then just we are going to find out a at the 4th position. Okay, a at the 4th, then it is going to give the us the a at the 4th position output, and it will tell the index of where it is at the 5, a, but the 4th a, where it is at the 5th position. Now student, last index of means which character it is at the last, it is going to give the position of your last character, then we are going to give the string function last index of. Students, see here that there is no space between last index of, you have to write it just like there solely. String, substring, in this substring we are going to extract a string from a given word. Okay, so substring 3 means what the string is going to come, we are going to take it COM. Okay, 3 means 0 1 2, and from the 3 it is going to start, then it is going to give you the output putter. Okay, now string, substring, int start index of and last index of. Here we are going to give the start index of, means the from where we have to string start, and the last index of. See, the word has been given computer. In this 3 and 6 means the our string is going to start from 3 and till 6th position. Make it clear, student, we are not going to take the character of 6th position, it will be 3 to 5. Okay, we are going to, then it will give you put, put. Okay, the output will be your put. Now string to lowercase. In this string to lowercase, students, if string is in uppercase, this function is going to convert your string from uppercase to lowercase, means in small letters. Okay, so this is whatever the string we have taken, s dot to lowercase. After dot, the letter is in small, to lowercase, and there is no space between the words. So students, go through all these string functions. There are many more, but first revise these functions. Okay, I'll send PDF of this string functions. Revise it very attentively, students.